Alright guys, welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel. Today we're featuring something exciting, something new, very new. Something classic, something most sought after. See, new for 2020, number 23 out of 250. Hot Wheel Turbo, 1 out of 5. Subaru Impreza 22B. STI version. Alright, now, I don't know who the designer was all this, but probably Ruasada. I don't know, maybe. Because he is Japanese, I think, and he makes a lot of Japanese cars, and this car, the Subaru, is from Japan, so that's my, what's her, Junal Mai, maybe. Anyway, Subaru Impreza STI version. A rally racing legend, this giant Slayer 2.2 liter turbocharged engine powered you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. All-wheel drive super traction as you whoosh towards the finish line. Well, anyways, guys, I looked up the Subaru 22BI STI. Anyways, they actually went in 3.9 seconds, which was a very fast car back then, because exotic cars were doing about the same time, because back then, right now it's slow. You could say it's slow, but still 3.9 for a regular car, just a sports car, is still fast, but considering the 1990s. Anyways, the designer of real car was Tetsuya Hayashi and Haifumu Kato, whatever their name is. Sorry guys, I bad at pronouncing Japanese name, but anyways, let's just open it and look at it. Most sought after car. Pretty nice looking one. Nice gold chrome 10-spoke wheel, all blue color. That was the main line color of them. Big rear spoiler, hood scoop. Air vents, grills, Subaru logo. Is that integrated or? That's plastic. It's not even integrated. No, it's integrated headlight, but it looks like plastic. Wow, that's a high quality. Smoked windows. Let's see, Hot Wheel logo, gotta have that. Muffler. There you go, guys. Anyways, looks just like a Subaru, but it's 22B. See, right hand drive, left hand. Right hand drive. So totally looking Japanese car. Anyways, guys, it's the most sought after car right now for Subarus for the 1990s. There is one for sale that with only 26,500 miles on it. Costs well over 100 grand. Well, I looked up for more information. They said when they first showed this car, the 22B STI version, they all sold out between 30 minutes to 48 hours. So all 400 cars were sold out in max of 48 hours. And each one back then they were a little over $60,000, which is a lot. So anyways, not too much information, but once I find out more information about it, guys, I will definitely post more updates and maybe make a special video again. But as of now, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Wait for more 2020 Hot Wheel cars coming in soon. Maybe like I have another one that I'm planning to do a review maybe tomorrow or so. So anyways, please like, subscribe, comment down below, guys. Wait till I get that on track, one of the tracks. I'm also looking for other tracks. I have found one that I want to maybe get one for my son as a Christmas present. So there you go, guys. That way I can have multiple different tracks, multiple different games, and since winter's coming, I'm going to have less time spending outside because it's going to get cold. So I might have more time spending doing videos with my kids. Stay tuned with my kids or my nephews and niece. I know my nephew is quite excited about it. He always wants me to make videos with him, but he knows I'm busy, so there are times I have to go to work when he comes to visit. So anyways, stay tuned for more racetrack videos, and guys, like, subscribe. Just keep hitting those subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.